तप्तचामीकराभाय वह्नये विश्वकर्मणे नमस्तमोभिनिघ्नाय रुचये लोकसाक्षिणे तप्तचामीकर आभाय तप्तचामीकराभाय is a compound word bhas mahapranah vanhaye please note this word has to be pronounced as vanhaye not vahnaye even though the ha precedes the na while writing as per a grammatical rule the sounds get interchanged so it is vanhaye vishwakarmane is a compound word namaha visarga changes to sudha tamaha abhinighnaya tamobhinighnaya is a compound word abhinighnaya the bha and ghar mahapranah now namastamobhinighnaya because of sandhi ruchaye lokasakshine is a compound word तप्तचामीकराभाय वह्नये विश्वकर्मणे नमस्तमोभिनिघ्नाय रुचये लोकसाक्षिणे नाशयत्येष वैभूतं तदेव सृजति प्रभुः पायत्येष तपत्येष वर्षत्येष गभस्तिभिः नाशयति एषः नाशयत्येषः because of sandhi the visarga has been dropped because of sandhi vai bhutam bhamah pranah tat now bhutam ends in an anuswara and the next word tat starts with ta so the anuswara changes to the anunasika or the nasal of the ta varga which is n so bhutan tat tat changes to d because of sandhi eva tadeva because of sandhi so bhutan tadeva srijati prabhuhu bhamah pranah payati eshah payatyeshah because of sandhi visarga is dropped tapati eshah tapatyeshah visarga is again dropped because of sandhi varshati eshah varshatyeshah because of sandhi visarga is again dropped gabhastibhihi both bhasa mahapranah नाशयत्येष वैभूतं तदेव सृजति प्रभुः पायत्येष तपत्येष वर्षत्येष गभस्तिभिः एष सुप्तेषु जागर्ति भूतेषु परिनिष्ठितः एष एवाग्निहोत्रञ्च फलञ्चैवाग्निहोत्रिणाम् Eshaha visarga is dropped because of sandhi supteshu jagarti bhuteshu bhas mahapranah parinishtitah thas mahapranah eshaha again visarga is dropped because of sandhi eva so esha eva agnihotram is a compound word evagnihotram because of sandhi cha phalam bhas mahapranah cha eva chaiva because of sandhi agnihotrinam is a compound word chaivagnihothrinam because of sandhi esha supteshu jagarti bhuteshu parinishthitah esha evagnihotrancha phalanchaivagnihothrinam vedascha kratavaschaiva क्रतूनां फलमेव च यानि कृत्यानि लोकेषु सर्व एष रविः प्रभुः वेदाः visarga changes to sh there च वेदाश्च क्रतवः visarga changes to sh च क्रतवश्च because of sandhi eva chaiva because of sandhi so it becomes क्रतवश्चैव क्रतूनां फलं भमः प्रणः एव फलमेव च यानि कृत्यानि लोकेषु सर्वः visarga is dropped because of sandhi eshah so sarvah eshah becomes sarva esha eshah again the visarga is dropped ravihi visarga changes to upadhmaniya prabhuhu, bhas mahapranah. So it becomes Ravih Prabhuhu because of Sandhi. Vedascha kratavashchaiva kratunam phalameva cha yani krityani lokeshu sarva esha ravi prabhuhu.